Hello everyone. Today we will tell you how to program Yorkins Make VIF meter. Today the model which we have is YI522. It's a 3-phase and single phase selectable VIF meter. So it's a 3-line 4-digit display meter. Now we'll tell you how to program this for respective PT ratio or CT ratio, or how we can change it to a single phase meter. So here we can see 3 buttons on the front of the meter. We'll need to press the set button and down button together for few seconds. Once we press it for few seconds, it will display pass. That is, it's asking for password. The default password is 1000. We can see first digit is blinking over here, so we need to change this first digit to 1. We can do it by pressing up button once. So it has changed to 1. Now we need to shift it to next digit. We'll press set button once. Now it's 0 and we need to select 1000, so we need not change it. We can press set button again, then third digit will blink. We'll need to press set button again, then fourth again set button will press. It will show yes. The yes means the password which we have selected is correct. If password would have been wrong, it would have shown no over here. In that case, we will be able to see the parameters selected, but we won't be able to change it. But now it's yes, so we can change the parameters. Now we'll press down button once. It will show list connection star. So by default, the connection is star connection. Now if we want to change it to single phase meter, then we need to press set button once. It will show the list mode will show will change to edit mode. It will go in edit mode and star will start blinking. Now we can change it by pressing down button. One time we press it, it shows delta setting, delta connection. Again we press it, it will show one phase. It means single phase. Now if we need to change our meter to single phase meter, we can select 1 pH over here. But here I'm showing you a 3-phase meter only, so I'll again change it to star. Now it's star. We'll press star button once again. It will show list again. Now we'll press down button once. It will show PTPR. By default, the PTPR over here is 415. See, the PT ratio we need to change only when we are using this meter in high voltage systems where we are using a PT. PT generally can be of different ranges like 11 kV oblique 110 volt or 220 volt. Similarly, different PT ratios can be selected over here. So I'll just show you how to select a PT over here, but it's rarely used. Generally in normal systems, in LT systems, this need not be changed. It should remain as 415 only. I'll show you. We will press to change it. Like if we want to change it to 11 kV, we'll press set button once. It will change to edit mode and 4 will start blinking. We will change 4 to 1 to make it 11. So by down button I have changed 4 to 1. Now it is 11. I am pressing set button once. Second digit will start blinking. We need not change it. Then again set, the third digit will start blinking. I need to make it 0 now. I am pressing down button to make it 0. Now I will press set button again. The fourth digit will blink. Now again the decimal will start blink. Now we need to shift the decimal. I'll press down button. It will go to 4th place. Then again I'll press down button. You can see kilo light will glow over here. Now it's 1.1 kV. I'll press down button once again. It will become 11 kV. Here the kilo indicates kV. So it's now 11 kV. I'll set it. So this parameter is selected now. It's 11 kV PTPR. Similarly PTSC. PTSC means PT secondary. Now it's 415. Like if our PT ratio is 11 kV oblique 110 volt. So here we will have to change it to 110 volt. I'll press set button once. The list will change to edit mode and 4 will start blinking. I'll make it 1. Now I'll press set button once. I need not change it. Again set button. Now I need to make it 0 as it's 110. Now it's 0. I'll press set button once. Again 0 will start blinking. Again set button. Now decimal will start blinking. Here we need not shift it. We need to take care of this decimal place, that the kilo light should not glow over here. In our PT primary, the kilo light was glowing because we wanted 11 kV over there, but here we want 110 volts. So we need to take care that kilo light should not glow while selecting this parameter. So now it's 110. I'll press set button once. It will change to list. Now 110 has been selected. So our PT ratio has been selected as 11 kV oblique 110 volts. Similarly, whatever PT ratio is there, we can select it. But I am again telling you, in normal cases, we need not change PT ratio, because most of the cases we are not using PT. It's only used in high voltage systems. Now I'll press down button once. Now it shows CTPR. CTPR means CT primary. Now I'll show you how to change CT primary. Like if we are using a CT ratio of say 60/5 ampere. So I'll tell you how to change this CT ratio. Now if we are using a CT of 60/5 ampere, in this our CT primary is 60 ampere. So I'll tell you how to change this 5 to 60. We need to change it to 60 as CT primary is 60. I will press set button once. This list will change to edit mode. Our 5 will start blinking. I need to make it to 6. I'll press up button once. It will change to 6. Now I'll press set button. We need not change it. Again set button. Again 4 digit will start blinking. Again I press set button. The decimal will start blinking. Now to shift the decimal once, I'll press down button once. It will become 60 over here. I'll again press set button. Our list will to see 60 is selected now. Now I need to press down button once. We can see our CT secondary is 5. By default it's 5 only, and we need not change it because we want a CT ratio of 60/5 ampere, in which 5 is our secondary current. So we need not change it. Again I'll press down button once. It will show list HCLE no. So this is for clearing the run hour and other parameters. I'll press set button once. Now no will start blinking. I'll press down button once. Yes will be blink. I will press set button. So by this we will clear the previous run hours and everything will clear from it. Now when we press down button, it will save show save yes. Now we need to save our CT ratios and PT ratios. We need to press set. If we won't save the parameters over here, then our parameter, whatever changes we have made, that won't be saved. So to save them, we'll press set button once. Now our PT ratio and CT ratio, PT ratio of 11 kV/110 volt has been selected, and CT ratio of 60/5 has been selected in this. Thank you.